What resources are there for public emergency response? Communities rely on readily available resources to tackle emergencies effectively. Understanding what resources exist for public emergency response can empower individuals to respond immediately and assist in saving lives. Having the right tools and knowledge makes a significant difference when a natural disaster or medical emergency strikes. 1. Community emergency response teams. Community emergency response teams or CERTs play a crucial role in public safety. These teams consist of trained volunteers who support emergency services during crises such as earthquakes, floods, or fires. Local authorities often sponsor CERTs, offering training sessions to equip volunteers with basic disaster response skills, from fire safety to medical procedures. Participating in CERT programs enables community members to work together when an emergency happens in their neighborhood. 2. Automated external defibrillators. Automated external defibrillators, or AEDs, are essential in public areas in the event of sudden cardiac arrest. Sudden cardiac arrest requires immediate intervention, and AEDs provide a simple, effective solution. Many public spaces, including schools, shopping malls, and airports, install AEDs to increase accessibility. These devices guide users through delivering a shock to restart a person's heart, making it possible for bystanders with no medical experience to help. Increasing awareness and accessibility of AEDs contributes to higher survival rates in cardiac emergencies. 3. Emergency alert systems. Emergency alert systems deliver critical information swiftly to the public. These systems broadcast alerts via television, radio, and mobile devices, providing updates on severe weather, evacuations, and other urgent situations. Local governments and agencies manage these systems, ensuring timely and accurate dissemination of information. Getting timely updates through an EAS allows people to make informed decisions during emergencies. 4. First aid training. First aid training empowers individuals to offer immediate care in emergencies. Various organizations such as the American Red Cross provide courses on skills such as CPR, wound care, and managing fractures. With this knowledge, individuals can take action while waiting for professional medical help. Encouraging widespread participation in first aid training enhances community preparedness and boosts confidence when responding to emergencies.